hexapod robot do. Okay, it's not that scary. But basically, I chose this project because, well, the hexapod project, because I thought, first of all, it was a great introduction and a great way to learn about both mechanical and electrical engineering. And also because it's super cool, like it's a 6-leg robot. So yeah, 6 legs, can walk around. I added this this jaw to clamp and grab onto things, and also this cover to make it easier to mount the battery. So yeah, a little demo. So first of all, you can walk around. You can rotate while walking. You can orient the central body in relation to the legs in different weird, wacky ways. And also, the thing that makes it robotic is the mandibles that can open close and grab onto something. So yeah, it's also gets controlled by remote control. Yeah, so basically it's all driven by servos. There's 18 servos for the legs. Actually no, yeah, 18 servos for the legs, 3 on each leg, and there's 6 legs. 2 servos here for the jaws, and LED strip that I added. Yeah. So it works with so the remote control is there's 3 switches. They can control which mode that you have it on for moving or for my jaws, and also what do you call it? A joystick. So all 18 plus 2 servos and the LED strip are controlled by an Arduino that's inside the center. And yeah. So some challenges that I faced were, well, first of all, the mount that I have here, that I have the servos connected to connect to the jaws. I had to print that like 4 times. This is my first one, second, and then third, and then finally my 4th. I ended up just adding extra materials that I could manually remove, material to make it fit like exactly. Another problem was I don't have enough pins. So I have 3 things I want to put onto this, but I only have 2 5-volt pins and 2 digital pins, which isn't enough for three items. So what I did instead was first off, I used a breadboard to make it so I could power the 2 servos with the same battery. But then another issue was I don't have no space. Like there's no place to put a giant breadboard. So instead, I used a proto board with purposely bridged solders that would make it so that it would work like a breadboard, but it would be a lot smaller. Yeah. So what I learned here at Bluestamp, I came into this not knowing like anything. So I obviously got to learn how to CAD to make these things. I learned some electrical engineering by making the mandibles and the LED strip. I learned some C++ because I had to obviously write code to make it so that this would all work. Yeah. Oh, future. In the future, I would probably want to make this a lot stronger. I would want to make the jaws stronger. I would want to make it go faster, longer legs maybe. Yeah. Any questions?
Why did you have to 3D print the mount so many times?
So the 3D printer isn't exact, so it's like sometimes just a little bit off, or I could just overlook something. These first two prints that I had, well, this one worked perfectly fine. This one was just too big, but it was actually on this side of the robot, and obviously I can't cover up where the battery comes out of and the USB port to code it. And then this one was fine until I noticed it didn't allow full range of motion for the front 2 legs. So I ended up with that design.
for, like, that's on the Hexapod, is that what you mean?
Oh, so obviously, because if I had just my battery like straight on onto here, I wouldn't be able to put anything in the holes because it would just be on it and covering it. And we'll walk around with it too. It's not that strong. I should think I want to make it stronger.
Yes, so for your future modifications, do you plan on changing the LEDs any, or?
Yeah, I would make it, because I didn't get the code to work to make it so I could change colors, but I probably wanted to change colors based on what it's about to do. You know, like, it's about to attack you, turns red, it's fine, it's like green.
Why'd you decide on using two types of servos for the mod?
Oh, because this one was a good one that came with the kit, but I only had one of them, so I had to substitute with